Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2759th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. A round of applause for you tuning in with me always. Thank you so much. Let me show you what we've got going on. This video coming at you on a Sunday afternoon for trading Sunday night through Monday, June 10th, 2024. Traders, before we get started, please know this is a very risky game. If you don't know that, please do know it now. You can lose a lot of money in this game if you do not handle yourselves properly. How do we handle risk properly? We put protective stops in first before we get into any positions. If you do that, you'll live a lot longer in this business. What are you looking at? This is the chart of the Russell 2000. And this whole entire chart is something I've used for the last, 3 or 4 weeks, maybe I should say 6 or 7 weeks, to prove the power of technical analysis. And basically, we would do a video at a specific date to say what would happen. The all-time highs were posted. We did a video to say the market has become bearish, blah, blah, blah. On this day, that worked. And then we used it for a video to say that the channel was breached, and that worked, and blah, blah, blah. And okay, so we're all the way over to here now. This is what's important. So this stuff already happened. It looks wonderful on the chart, but it's past history. Let's see what's going on for trading on Sunday night, Monday. I've got a red OMNI for trading U.S. indices. Wants me to sell rallies. Russell seems like it wants me to sell rallies there as well. This average is interesting, if you ask me. Right here, we settled way below it on Friday after breaching it. Now, it's a very strong average when it holds, like here, and all the times it held here. And when it holds, or when it can't get above, you see the crack. So, and then when it does get above, you see the big rally, right? So here, gets above, here it can't, and you see what happens? Da-doom. When it first cracks the average, da-doom, all the way down here. All right, so we haven't seen it in a while. Well, here we are bouncing on it, and it breaks the average. So that gets a red one. Breaks the average, and the OMNI turns red, wants me to sell rallies. So this video is for extremely short-term trading, Sunday night through Monday. What I propose to do for tomorrow night is get out in front of the camera and revisit the video from 10 days ago, which depicted where markets were heading and why they might head down. Now we'll revisit where the markets are and whether or not that still holds true. But this video tonight is just simply for short-term trading Sunday through Monday. Then I will revisit the longer-term outlook video if I get a chance, which I expect I will, to do a video on Monday night. So that's what I wanted to show you, kids. I've got my nephew coming over now with this little baby. It's a little baby Mikey, and he's so cute. And his wife and my sister, his grandma's coming over. So we're going to have a nice dinner, and I wanted to do an early video. And somewhere in this town is an insane Trump rally going on, from what I understand. So not that that means anything, but I just figured I'd get this video done and go see my little nephew and his little nephew. All right, traders, I will see you all in my trading room, livewithoscar.com. It's absolutely free to you. Just join. If you don't mind, please like and share these videos, right? Put some comments below, and then keep your emotions out of trading, kids. Do not get emotional. Put your stops in first, and then say this to yourselves over and over again, especially if a stop is getting threatened. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love the comments, the likes and shares, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.